hair from Creativity by Geena in Brighton the Sands.
Sonia Stanley from Salon On Victoria, Potts Point, Sydney.
So I'm Julie O'Sullivan and I'm from Hairllelujah Boutique Salon on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland.
Been using DNA Organics for about 24 years now.
Using DNA Organics for the last 5 years. Previous to that, DNA for many years.
Since 2011, so 8 years now.
Obviously the fact that it's an organic colour and the results which we're wanting to achieve, we actually do achieve. The shine factor, the health factor, which are always really important in my business.
The fact that it's reliable, very true results, and there is zero fade with copper colours, and the grey coverage is amazing.
My clients are very happy that I'm using an organic product and it's fume-free and safe. Love all the colours, all the different variations, the results, fantastic.
After so many years of hairdressing, I've done millions of these, but it's always good to know and reassure myself I can always walk away and have at least 1 or 2 things learnt from that experience. I think learning a little bit more of dealing with different peroxides, whether it's 30 vol or 40 vol, and how we can use them to our benefit.
Today's educational day has been very interesting because we're doing a diversity of colours and of course a great team of hairdressers from all over Australia here to share and join in, which you'll see the fabulous results later. We're using quite a bit of colour mixing with different levels of peroxide.
I've learnt some different techniques, some different combinations of colours, and it's always good to mix with other hairdressers as I work on my own. I need that interaction to keep updated, and I love learning about the technical side of the colours as well and how they work.